Hello there, Dr. Weatherby here from ODX. Thank you for tuning in to this short video that we're going to do about my products, or actually your products. I know that a lot of you have your own white label products that you would love to add to treatment plans, and I'm going to show you how to do that in ODX so that you can actually add your own catalog of products and then seamlessly add them into protocol templates, so that whenever you make a treatment plan, your own products will be available to you to add seamlessly and quickly into a treatment plan. So without further ado, let's go on over to the application and I will show you how to do it. So we're here on the dashboard and I've actually added 3 products to the ODX application. So I'm going to go show you how to do that. So we click over here and we hit My Products. As you can see, I've got 3 products here. These are sort of just generic super adrenal, super blood sugar support, and super detox plus that I have created. Now, I could go ahead and create a treatment plan just using my products, and then I'd have to bring them in each time. But I want to go ahead and create a protocol template. So if you're not familiar with what protocol templates are, this is where you can go in, build a full protocol using whatever products that you want, either from the ODX default database of products, or if you're in the United States and Canada, I would highly recommend using Fullscript's catalog. We are seamlessly integrated with Fullscript. We've built out the Fullscript integration within the platform. Every single product that they have available to them is available to you to build a treatment plan and also build a protocol template. So I want to show you how to build a protocol template that incorporates those My Products that we've just shown you. So again, we go back over here, we click into protocol templates, and then we're going to add new. And I want to build this as a Fullscript. So when I'm building my Fullscript's treatment plans, I want to have my products available and pulled into the list of available products to be used in the treatment plan. So I'm going to call this My Products, I can't spell, template. You could write a note here, or you could just hit save and continue. So what happens is it's going to bring in some of the previously recommended products. So we give you a sort of a head start. So these are 5 or 6 products for adrenals that can be used and incorporated very quickly. But what I want to do is I want to actually add in my products. So I'm going to hit My Products here, and then I'm going to add super adrenal, and I'm going to do it as an auto populate. And then I'm going to come down here to blood sugar support, and I'm going to come down here and select My Products again, and I'm going to do super blood sugar support, and then we'll do one more. We'll do this detox support product. And we'll come down here and we'll do My Products again. I know it's a little bit time consuming this way, but believe me, this is going to save you a lot of time here. All right, so there we go. Then I'm going to review the protocol template. Imagine if you'd done this with all of your products, if you had products for all of those health concerns, and then I'm going to set the protocol template as complete. So now in my protocol templates, I've got the default template that I've created for just Fullscript products. I've got My Products template for Fullscript, and then I've got the ODX Fullscript protocol template. So it's going to bring in quite a few products for us to take a look at. And our job here at ODX really is to help you get to about 95% completion of your treatment plan, and then you spend about 5% tweaking it, editing it, and then moving on and getting that treatment plan sent over to Fullscript for fulfillment. So let's go ahead now and add a treatment plan. So I'm going to add a new treatment plan. It's going to be a Fullscript treatment plan. I'm going to select continue, and I'm going to do James Bond here. I've already previously connected James Bond into Fullscript, so we don't need to do that anymore. I'm going to choose one of our blood tests. And then when this comes up, these are the health concerns that you can associate. And just for the speed of things, I'm going to deselect all of these and just choose the 3 that we have products for from My Products. So we're just going to do blood sugar support, adrenal support, and detox support. I'm going to click select products. Now I'm going to actually use my own default template because I want to basically add in the My products to some of the other products that are being fulfilled by FullScript. So I'm going to hit Auto Populate Products. And then you're going to see very quickly here the list of all of the available products. So when we built the protocol template, when I built the protocol template for my treatment products, I had the Alamax Protect as the primary one that was going to be auto-populated. And then I had Glucothera as a secondary product. So this one comes up pretty close to the top of the list. And then we've got the My products here. So I'm going to add that one in to the treatment plan. And then I'm going to do adrenal support. And again, the super adrenal should come up here. I'm going to add that one in. And then finally, I'm going to do the detox support product that we had. And so my protocol is going to have Super Detox Plus. And now my protocol template is complete. I can review it. And sure enough, I can add a simple message. And there we go. And let's review this very quickly. So we've got 1, 2, 3 products that are going to be fulfilled by FullScript. Now you have to remember, obviously, that my products don't exist in the FullScript catalog. So you will have to give those to your patient. So I'm going to set this treatment plan as complete. I am going to send these 3 products. I'm going to click OK to send that treatment plan. And remember, you're sending it through to FullScript. It's still in a draft state. I have to activate that treatment plan. So by clicking that Activate Treatment Plan, it's sending a message through to FullScript. It will now deliver the protocol to the patient, those 3 products. And then I want to run a report here. I want to run the health improvement plan. And I'm going to run that. And you will see that it will incorporate the 3 FullScript products and the 3 My products into the health improvement plan. So sure enough, for blood sugar support, we've got the Alamax coming from FullScript. And then we've got the My product coming from my company, Weatherby Group. And same thing down here. So that's just one way that you can use our protocol templates to deliver and make available to you within the treatment plan builder any of your own products to be incorporated or used in protocols. So very quick and easy way to get your own white label products into your patient's hands. So I hope this has been helpful. We love building out these types of features in ODX. If you've got any examples of things that you'd like to see, shoot us an email to support@optimaldx.com. We'll probably be doing some more videos like this to showcase some of the other features of the software. But until then, take care, stay optimal, go save some lives. This is Dr. Weatherby from Optimal DX. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.